Welcome back to the channel, YouTubers, Paddock Kart Skill Dreams. First off, I just want to thank everyone for the support in the last video. So today's Sunday morning model cars and coffee, hosted by Paul over at Left Coast Model Car Builds. Thank you, Paul, for sending out this new card. It's awesome. I love it. Love the Sunday morning model cars and coffee. He also sent me this his new card. I really appreciate Paul. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's get into it. I'm gonna be showing off my GB, my off-road group build from 2024. I'm hosting another group build, off-road group build this year. Just starting today, so get in on that if you can. Check out this video here. I'll put a link in the description. And then last year, people built, I posted, everybody sent me pictures. Again, I'll be asking for pictures this year. Everybody sent me pictures, and this is the video here. I'll put a link in the description if you want to check that out. So I'm going to show what I built in 2024. The first Gen Bronco. We'll get to that in a minute. Just need a sip from the nectar of the gods. Thank you, Dan, for that phrase.
Coffee.
So we have a guest here too. She's going to participate in the off-road group build. So let's see what Scarlett's going to build today. She's excited. She's excited to build her model today.
Red
so
GP.
What is it?
Red GP.
A red GP, guys. So here it is, the Revell.
Red GP.
Red GP, Wrangler Rubicon. So she's excited to build this. She's probably going to be the first one done. Her group build, so that's going to be cool. We're going to have fun with this today. Low parts count, pretty easy, no paint. Just put it together and have some fun, and then she can show it off later today. Hopefully we get it done. If not, we'll get it done next weekend. So anyways, hope everyone's having a great weekend, Sunday. Prayers for those who need them, and we're going to get this turned around. I'm going to show you guys my I just almost said GP. I'm going to show off my Bronco build. Thanks, guys.
GP.
Okay, we're back. I'm going to show the Bronco half cab kit. This is a special edition kit with the dune buggy and trailer. I haven't done the dune buggy and trailer yet, but that's going to be for my 25 off-road group build. Gonna finish the second part of this kit. So this is obviously the Bronco half cab. I removed the cab. I kept the roof just to have this lift off top on it. So I made that, got rid of the roof, or the half cab part, made my own. These roll bars, it's actually 2 roll bars, and then I made the center roll bars and put it all together. It's from 2 kits. So I got 2 Broncos, so I used 2 of those, and then, like I said, I made the horizontal bars from styrene. So it's got the lift from Fireball Modelworks, tires, 35-inch tires from Fireball Modelworks. They're actually weighted tires, so they're flat on the bottom slightly. Method race wheels. These are really nice items from over at Fireball, and the lift is pretty sweet too. Works perfect with all the parts. There's some customizing you have to do, but I managed to pull it off. It was my first time working with like an aftermarket lift or whatever of any of the sort, so it turned out really good. I'm pretty happy with it. The color is MCW Arcadian Blue. So that's the color I use. First time using MCW as well. through an airbrush. It was turned out really decent. Pretty happy with the first time airbrush lacquer. First time airbrushing lacquers. Put the valve stems on the tires. Didn't weather them up. I wanted a nice shiny Bronco. I didn't do too much detailing throughout. Basically all I did was just wire up the engine, put some heater hose wires, battery cables, and of course my usual rad hoses. So pretty much stock. The only thing I changed was the air cleaner in there. So yeah, pretty much box stock in there, except for the wiring, of course. Didn't really do too much to the interior. Just put the decals on the front seats. There wasn't decals for the back seats, which was kind of disappointing, but it is what it is. And then I made this. So because the spare tire carrier is too small for these 35s, I made a. So if you look at it, I made it's like a fuel jerry can. So that's what I did there. I put a handle on it. Here's your spout. Whoops. Here's the spout there. So here's the spout there that I made. Just scratch built some stuff. Tow hooks on it. This is my usual aluminum exhaust tips. Dechromed everything. Didn't want any chrome on this one. Turned out really good, I think. Some Arizona plates on there. Yeah, really fun build. I put a body lift, my own body lift in it, just to give it a little bit of extra clearance. Otherwise it might have been close to touching the tires on the wheel wells. I also re-radiused the rear wheel wells. So the wheel wells came down right here, and I cut these, and I used styrene stock flat strips to make this body line, continue this body line. So that was a lot of interesting, trying to get that rounded and conform and look right. So I think it turned out pretty good. You can see those new wheel wells, custom wheel wells. So those turned out pretty good. So that's pretty much it for the Bronco. I did use UV resin here on the gauge, sorry. That turned out really nice. I've been using that for a while. I really love the UV resin. As you can see, that looks awesome. It's got the decal gauges in behind there. Turned out awesome. I did have a little trouble with this front window frame. This is separate. It's pretty flimsy, and you really gotta glue that window in there. And I did, but I made a couple. It's not glue, but it's scratched right here. So, but I got it on there. It looks good, and pretty fun kit. All right, guys, take care, and hopefully I'll see some of you guys entering in on the off-road group build, and we'll talk to y'all soon.
Thank you. Thank you very much.